forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's Madness. What's up, guys? Your girl Abbi here, back at it again with more of Abbi's Madness. Some more so we have a look at one addiction answer, right? So today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna share mine with you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's Madness. And if you don't want to see me and people, man, just fly over to Abbi and Kappa JA. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram below. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. No further talking, let's flick into the video. Hello everybody, my name is Abigail and I'm from Kingston, Jamaica. I'm 23 years old. I'm addicted to doodling. I don't know, it's like doodle they make for me. I never choose it, but I never regret nothing because I love doodle. It's like when I doodle, my whole life feel better. My body feel better. My nothing and I love it and so. A true people, she have a doodling problem for true. One time I there, yeah, you know, I'm thirsty so till. So I say, alright then, I go walk go in the kitchen. Walk go in the kitchen, when I look, I see the girl sit beside her fridge. Girl, what you do? Girl, me I do. You do nasty. Good make it. See I lie. I true, I tell her I could hold it, somebody have to do the right there, so I'm not telling her, you see, based on my body stay, anywhere do the take, I'ma drop it right there. I will there outside good I pick mango, you know. And as soon as my belly start bubble, I do what take me. I'm can't make it to the bathroom, so you know what I do? Just dry my clothes and do the right at the tree. And if me asleep and do the take me, best believe me I shit in my sleep. I true, and the sad part of that, you know, but right beside of the girl asleep and the girl pink up the place. So, Miss Abigail, I heard that you're single. Can you tell me and the viewers why you're single? Because I'm sure the viewers would like to know. Oh yeah, come here. You see, every time I'm boyfriend, I do this, I always do the pan him. And one day, I did well what I do, you know. This time, I shoot out pan him mouth.
Alright, you've been over now.
No.
I'll be something like you don't been over, man.
But tell him what I'm doing. True, me hear about that. You know what me call him? Shit lips. I say my lips shit up. I'm not telling her I feel some type of way, but what I could I do? I love doodle. And you know I'm not really judge her do because one time I could have lose my friend. I shit save her. Girl, tell him how it save you. Say what I'm telling you. Imagine one day I'm there at a nice clean house and so, you know. And this outer order don't pay come and try to frighten me. Try to frighten me, you know. And on the when time I drop my shots and bend over so, I shoot out a piece of shit like bullet. And guess where it go? Who you know tell them? It's like, it got in our mouth. I said the weird friend, it take for itself, my love. People is funny. Continue. But you know what the saying I say, let shit be free. Oh good. I let fart be free. But true? Yeah girl. But me up on TV, me can't tell them, wanna let shit be free answer. Hold it. But can't hold it. That's Christ. I'm here for go clean up the shit, you know. I'm here for go clean it up. Big up your tissue now. Thanks. Guys, let it be free. I'm not telling her I'm get a video for World Star. I say she embarrassing. You embarrassing, you know? Me no business, I'm telling her to take me out. I know you have me on TV, I shit on myself. This the life? Watch her, she ask if I live with the pan. Them a see you. Same fucking thing, them a see everything nothing can chop out. Be proud of your addiction, girl. And for true, you know? Yeah, girl. My name is Abbi, and I'm addicted to shitting and I'm proud. That's all good. Yeah, that's all good. Now say it with me. Her name is Abbi and she's addicted to shitting and she's proud. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until then, your girl Abby is out. Bye!